Xiaomi is known for shaking up the budget tech market, and this smartwatch promises to deliver a premium experience at a price point that won't leave your wallet crying. But we've had claims like that before, right? So the real question here is, does it live up to the hype? I'm gonna help you find out, and so without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. Alright, no review starts without tearing into the box, so let's check out what Xiaomi has bundled with this device. As we pop the lid of the box, we're greeted by the star itself, the Redmi Watch 5 Active. It's sleek, minimal, and immediately gives off some solid first impressions. Tucked beneath that is the user manual, for the legends who actually read that stuff. And finally, you've got a magnetic charging cable. It's straightforward, it's simple, no extras, no frills, but honestly, what more do you need in the box? Now let's talk aesthetics. Let's be real, a smartwatch isn't just a tech toy, it's part of your style. And on that front, the Redmi Watch 5 Active delivers quite well. The flat display and minimalist chassis gives it a clean, modern look. The 2-inch flat LCD is striking, unlike the curved edges of most smartwatches. The flat panel also makes the screen feel larger and more premium. Plus, the flat edges also gives it a sleek, modern vibe, almost reminiscent of the Apple Watch but with Xiaomi's signature touch. It could also pass for a smartwatch that costs twice as much. And let's not miss that metal-looking frame. I don't think it's metal, by the way. On the back, you'll find the heart rate and SpO2 sensors, as well as the charging terminals. And for a budget smartwatch, that's a huge win. The silicone straps are soft, lightweight, and incredibly comfortable for all-day wear. And what's even better is that there are 20mm replaceable bands, so you can easily swap them out for leather, metal, or colorful options. Overall, the design on the Redmi Watch 5 Active feels great on the hand or on the wrist because it's lightweight, about 42 grams, and it's also stylish without overdoing it. Whether you're at the gym or in a casual office setting, this watch fits right in. Now here's something I didn't expect to say about this budget smartwatch. The audio quality is impressive for the price. Yes, this baby can make and receive calls, and you know what? It gets the job done beautifully. With Bluetooth calling, you can make and receive calls directly from this watch. All thanks to the onboard microphone and speaker. I've used it for calls in the past week, and the speaker is loud enough to hear the other person even in moderately noisy environments. As for the microphones, it does a solid job. And the people I called didn't notice any distortion or echo. So this is great for quick chats when you don't want to dig your phone out of your pocket or your bag. Also, the speakers can't be used to listen to music here, just for calls and Alexa. Speaking of which, there's also Alexa integration here. Yep, built-in Alexa is here to help you check the weather, control your smart home gadgets, or set reminders with just your voice. This isn't available officially for every region. I don't have it available on my device. Now let's come for the standout feature, which is the display. The Redmi Watch 5 Active sports a 2-inch LCD panel with a resolution of 320 by 385 pixels. Text is sharp, colors pop, and while the blacks are not AMOLED deep, they're surprisingly decent for an LCD. The 500 nits of brightness is good enough for outdoor visibility, even under direct sunlight. Scrolling through apps is as smooth as butter, and the responsive touch interface is spot on. It's not AMOLED flashy, but for a budget smartwatch, this display delivers all the essentials in a genuinely enjoyable way. Now about the bezels. While they are noticeable, they are pretty slim compared to most budget wearables. Plus, watch faces can minimize the bezel effect. Speaking of which, the Mi Fitness app gives access to a massive library of both analog and digital watch faces, over 200 of them. So whether you want bold minimalism or tons of data widgets, there's a face for everyone. If I had one nitpick or say two, it's LCD, so not always on display, and also I wish there was auto brightness mode on this device. I hate to take things up outdoors and then have to slide down the brightness when I'm indoors. But still at this price point, it's a little hard to complain. Okay, let's talk about usability, and boy, this is where things get exciting. The Redmi Watch 5 Active is powered by new Xiaomi HyperOS, which is buttery smooth and incredibly responsive thanks to the 60Hz refresh rate. Everything flows seamlessly, whether you're swiping through widgets, opening apps, or customizing settings. But what really stood out to me is its feature versatility. With Alexa integration, over 140 sport modes, and fitness tracking baked in. So whether you're a runner, cyclist, or someone who just wants to keep an eye on their step count, it's got you covered. That said, one minor drawback here is there is no swim tracking, even though this watch has an IPX8 water resistance rating. This means it's splash resistant and safe for showers or pools, but don't expect detailed swimming analytics. Now, as far as health tracking, this watch does a great job measuring your heart rate, SpO2 or your oxygen levels, stress and sleep tracking. All the data syncs neatly with the Mi Fitness app, giving you a holistic view of your health. You can also sync this watch with Strava or Health Connect. Those apps will work well with this watch. With the app, you can track the activities like I mentioned, cycle through over 200 watch faces. You'll definitely find what suits your style. But remember, as accurate as these sensors are, Use them as reference data, not for medical diagnostics. The notifications from your smartphone also come up to your watch if you allow them, but the downside here is that you can't respond to them from the watch. I wouldn't really call that a downside for me since I'm not used to replying to messages or notifications from a smartwatch. I just need to know what comes in without getting my phone out of my pocket, and if it's quite important, I can then pull out my smartphone and respond to that. By the way, if you're loving this video so far, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell icon to stay in the loop on all things tech here. Thank you. Now, the price for the Redmi Watch 5 Active in retail shops right now is roughly $33. That's the amount I got mine here from AliExpress, which is about 55,000 Naira here in Nigeria. Okay, I know this is the section you've all been waiting for. The battery life here can make or break a smartwatch, right? Well, let me tell you something. The Redmi Watch 5 Active doesn't disappoint. Xiaomi claims up to 12 days of juice on this device with 480 mAh battery, and you know what? It's not just marketing fluff. As at the time of recording this video, I last charged this device 5 days ago, and because I just use it for notifications, calls, and tracking my steps, I'm still up 65%. If you're less of a power user, you can likely hit the 12-day mark with no problem. And charging this device back up is quick and painless thanks to the magnetic charging cable. So this is one of those few times I do not have to worry every night to plug in my Apple Watch. I mean, my last charge was 5 days ago. So after spending close to 2 weeks testing the Redmi Watch 5 Active, here's my take. This is the smartwatch to beat in the budget category. For under $100, heck, under $50, you're getting premium looks, smooth performance, stellar battery life, and a slew of features like Alexa and call functionality. Sure, there are some compromises: no auto brightness mode, the LCD display, and the lack of always-on display might turn off AMOLED purists. You also do not have GPS on here, so there's no true accurate location or route tracking, or it just depends on your smartphone connected for that data. But honestly, at this price point, those trade-offs are perfectly reasonable. For anyone on a budget who wants a reliable, feature-packed smartwatch that works just as great as it looks, the Redmi Watch 5 Active is a no-brainer. And that's it for today. Please check out our next video here. YouTube thinks you'll love it. Till then, create that day.